Hello everybody, this is Patchi from Minificasas. Today we are going to make some origami boats, look at them. And we are also going to make a lovely seaside scene. This is going to be really sweet. Okay, are you ready? So let's do it. To make this adorable origami, this is what we are going to need to do. Get a piece of white paper and let's make a square. To make a square, you need to put the sides together and make a triangle that you can see here. Scissors. And we are almost there. Okay, now we have a square. Can you see this line in the middle? We are going to make this line again the opposite way. So, open your paper. And now we are going to fold it again, but in a different direction. We are going to fold it like this. Open. And then fold it again. So all these lines are very important for your origami. Okay, we are almost done. So I'm going to trace the lines with a pencil so you're going to be able to see the lines that we have made here. Look, you don't need to trace the lines. I'm just doing it so you can see very well. So first thing we're going to do, we are going to get this end and put here. And then we are going to get this end and put it here. Half of the boat is already done. So look what I'm going to do now. I'm going to fold here in the middle. And you can see two lines that make 1, 2, 3 triangles. You see that? So look what I'm going to do here. I'm going to fold it a little bit. Fold it a little bit. Okay, I'm just marking the paper. And then I'm going to tuck this bit inside. So like that. So you see what happened? This part that was here now came inside. We are going to do the same with the other side. So we are going to tuck this part inside. Okay? We are going to fold this bit up. And your boat is ready and standing. So let's do it now with some color. So fold your triangle, cut, let's see if we remember. We have a line there, we are going to make it the other way. Then we fold in the middle and we fold it in the middle again. So it's the moment now to put some color. So I would like to make this a pirate boat. So I'm going to make it all brown because that's going to be the wooden part of the boat. So I'm going to make this all brown. You can use pen, pencil, anything you prefer to color your boat. Now, we are going to go back to the folding bit. So look, remember, this comes here. This comes here. We fold it in the middle. Remember, we have the 3 triangles. And we did this the other time. So we are going to do it again, look. This is just to make it easier for you. Now, we are going to tuck in the parts. So let's see how we are going to tuck in. If you do this way, what is going to happen is that the brown goes inside. And look, you have a lovely white canvas. Okay, so you see, tucking like we did the other one. And you have a lovely canvas. Don't forget to use your nail to push the lines, okay? This bit we fold to the top, so the boat is going to stand up. At this moment, you could get a pencil or a pen and add some windows maybe. Boats always have those nice round windows. You could make a line all around your boat. And maybe a line on your canvas. And you could write here your initial. So I'm going to write mine. That would make my boat extra special. So a boat needs the sea to be beautifully sailing. So let's make the sea. So to make it, you're going to need another piece of white paper. This time you're going to fold in the middle. We are going to fold a little corner here and bring it back. And we're going to fold a little corner here and bring it back. Open the paper. So we have, here is the line of the horizon. We have water here, where your boats are going to sail. You can have an island. It would be nice to have an island here. Maybe even a palm tree. I love palm trees. So I'm going to make an island and I'm going to make a little palm tree here on my island. Lovely sun. I think that it's going to look nice with yellow and orange. And also I'm gonna give my son a very super happy face. Maybe you would like to put some clouds in the sky. If this is the case, you draw the cloud with the blue, but when you color the sky, you don't color the cloud. So the cloud is gonna look lovely, fluffy and white in the middle of the sky. Okay, so remember that we made that fold on the side. So we are gonna cut here. This fold was made to be able to make your scene stand up. Look. So now your scene is going to lovely stand up. And you can put your boat here. I decided to make also a pirate boat. Look, with a pirate flag. Isn't it amazing? So they can be sailing on the sea. That's very nice. I hope you enjoy making it. It was nice, isn't it? We could make them with different color paper. Look, I have here some beautiful origami paper that would work well. And they are different sizes, so you can have different sizes boats. That makes it very, very nice. I hope you enjoyed make this origami with me. Look, it's a very nice pirate boat. If you really learn how to make those boats, maybe you could make some of them in colorful paper. And look at that, make a thread and hang it by the window. It would be very nice, wouldn't it?